Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy payments to accept deposits and payouts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Etsy payments, begin by logging into your Etsy seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager section. From the Shop Manager, click on Finances in the left-hand menu. Next, select Payment Settings from the drop-down options. You will see the Etsy Payments section on the Payment Settings page. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. Now, you will need to enter your bank account information. Provide your bank account number and routing number carefully. Ensure that all details are accurate to prevent any issues with payouts. Next, fill in your personal information as required, including your name and address. This information is necessary for verification purposes. After entering your details, click on the Save button. Etsy will now review your information for approval. The review process may take a few days, so be patient. Once approved, you will receive a notification. You can then manage your payment settings at any time by returning to the Payment Settings page. To ensure everything is functioning properly, make a small test transaction. Monitor your account to confirm that deposits and payouts are processed smoothly. If you encounter any issues, visit the Etsy Help Center for assistance. Following these steps will allow you to successfully connect Etsy payments to your shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.